and you got one of these Craftsman lawnmower, riding mowers, or it could be under that MTD name, because this is an MTD made Craftsman. And you got a problem with the belt coming off, the drive belt, you know, the one that makes the tractor move. And you keep putting the belt on, it keeps jumping off. Because we do. Look at what this is how they make this thing. Look, they've got this drive belt, because it's got a variable speed drive. Now it's not like our standard V belt. It's real flat here in the center, and it's got a little bit of a V on the edge. And this is the pulley they use. Now look how this belt fits in that pulley. Look at it. Doesn't even fit down in there. That MTD company, they should be ashamed of themselves. So we've run into this problem where they come in and they need belts, and then this thing keeps popping off because it's not down in there. So I'm going to show you what I do to fix that problem. So this is the OEM pulley for that tractor. Now this isn't no aftermarket one. This is the one that goes on there. So I take a 3/8 bolt with a nut, put it in a vise, and then I take a crescent wrench and I go around and I bend up the flange a little bit to get that belt to fit in there deeper. When I flip it over, do the other side. Just got to tweak it up a little bit. And then try the belt in there so it'll fit deeper in that groove and it won't pop off. So there you have it. Fits a lot better down in that groove. Now maybe a little cattywampus. You can go back in and tweak it if you really want to in spots. But it's not going to matter. You just want it to fit down in there. It's not going to hurt anything. It's a lawnmower. We're not flying in outer space with it. So now you're probably thinking, well, how do I know if I got an MTD lawnmower or not? All right, I'm going to tell you how to tell if you got an MTD lawnmower or not, and it's by the part numbers that are under the hood. So we're going to go look under the hood at that sticker. So under the hood on most of these MTD, or just about all lawn tractors now, these later model ones, they got a sticker, and it's got the most popular parts with the part number. So all the MTD stuff always starts with 3 digits and a dash and then the other number after it, almost like a phone number. That's how you know you got an MTD. If it's just all one number ran together, then it's probably an AYP or Electrolux Husqvarna. Here's a Scrub Cadet, also made by MTD. Here's the sticker under the hood. 3 digits. And then the 4 digits after it. 4 to 5 digits, sometimes with a letter. That tells you it's MTD. Here's an AYP, American Yard Products. See? It's just all one part number, no dashes. Now you're probably thinking, what about those Fox or John Deere's? Those are MTDs or American Yard Products, aren't they? No. Those are made by John Deere. They have their own factory that makes them. That's John Deere. That's not made by anybody else but them. So, that's what you have to do. Keep that belt on, that POF, MTD, Craftsman, Frankenstein, conglomeration, whatever you want to call that thing. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. Follow me with your POFs on Facebook and Instagram. Go to our web store, check out our merchandise that we got, support the channel. And as always, there's your dinner. There's your dinner on that belt popping off. Just tweak that pulley. It's just a pulley.